Have you ever heard of Positano? It's a charming town known for its breathtaking seaside location. But that's not all. Positano also boasts high-end boutiques, fabulous restaurants, and a plethora of fun activities. If you're planning a trip to Positano soon, we've got you covered with the top 8 must-do experiences. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into this dreamy destination. Number 8. Scooter ride around the Amalfi Coast. Experience the gentle breeze while exploring the meandering paths, treating yourself to breathtaking views of the ocean and charming villages that dot the way. Dive into the magnificence of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, where each turn unravels a fresh panorama or hidden treasure. Delight in the enchantment of the coastline, where mountains and sea blend harmoniously, creating a majestic masterpiece. As you glide through these timeless communities, you don't simply travel. You become an integral part of the vibrant tapestry that is Amalfi. This journey encompasses much more than reaching your destination. It's about the tales, the sights, the sounds, and the soul of the stunning Amalfi Coast. Number 7. Hotel Poseidon. This extraordinary hotel is renowned for its unmatched service and breathtaking panoramas. Hotel Poseidon is a destination, making it a must-visit for those who appreciate a perfect balance of sophistication and tranquil allure. One of the notable features of this hotel is its architectural magnificence, which seamlessly blends with the surrounding natural landscape. The attention to detail in every room and suite is astonishing, combining comfort and style effortlessly. And as a bonus, the balconies provide incredible vistas of the Mediterranean Sea that will leave you in awe. Even if you're not staying overnight, a trip to the renowned terrace at Hotel Poseidon promises an unforgettable experience. Number 6. Sunset Aperitivo. Imagine finding a comfortable spot at a cliffside bar or a terrace that offers a clear view of the stunning horizon. As you settle down, the sky starts its breathtaking transformation, covering the canvas with vibrant shades of fiery orange, deep red, and delicate pink. These colors reflect over the calm sea, creating a mesmerizing sight. In your hand, you hold a glass of local wine, perhaps a delightful aromatic Falangina or a bold Aglianico. These wines symbolize the region's rich viticultural heritage. Alternatively, you may choose a timeless Italian cocktail, the refreshing Aperol Spritz or a zingy limoncello creation made from famous Amalfi lemons. Every sip is like a tribute to the enticing local flavors and a celebration of coastal beauty. Number 5. Music on the Rocks. When you make your way to Music on the Rocks, you'll be greeted by the soothing sounds of waves gently crashing on the shore, blending harmoniously with the distant rhythm of music, luring you into a world of excitement. As you enter the cave that houses the club, you'll find yourself captivated by the enchanting interior, where nature and modern design come together flawlessly. The cave walls, adorned with vibrant lights, create a truly breathtaking backdrop, while the stylish decor adds a touch of sophistication. Once inside, the club comes to life with an electrifying energy. With a top-of-the-line sound system, the space pulsates with infectious rhythms and beats played by acclaimed DJs and artists from around the globe. The dance floor, positioned against the mesmerizing backdrop of the sea, calls you to let loose and immerse yourself in the dance music. Number 4. Day at the Beach Club. Start your day by soaking up the glorious sunshine as you comfortably settle into a beach chair. The soothing sound of waves serves as a peaceful backdrop, enhancing your relaxation. The crystal clear blue waters beckon you for a rejuvenating swim or a leisurely float, allowing you to embrace the tranquility of the ocean. Both the Beach Club and Fornillo Beach exude a wonderfully laid-back atmosphere, making it an ideal spot for those yearning for a peaceful getaway. You can indulge in delightful activities such as immersing yourself in a good book, building intricate sandcastles, or simply taking in the breathtaking beauty of the cliffs that surround the beach. At the Beach Club, you can enjoy additional amenities like beach umbrellas, a variety of refreshing drinks and snacks, and, if you're lucky, even a light and delightful lunch. Number 3. Exploring Fornillo. Start your adventure by strolling along the charming curving lanes of Fornillo, where surprises await at every turn. The picturesque scenery and secret nooks that pop up around every corner will captivate you. The Mediterranean-style architecture, featuring delightful pastel-hued houses, blooming balconies, and ancient stone steps, speaks volumes about the area's vibrant cultural legacy. While exploring the streets, make sure to indulge in the local artisan shops. These little gems, often run by talented families, are veritable treasure troves of meticulously crafted wonders. From vibrant ceramics brimming with lively colors and intricate patterns to exclusive leather goods, hand-woven fabrics, and exquisite jewelry, there's something for everyone. Engaging with these skilled artisans not only allows you to appreciate their craft, but also unveils the rich history that underlies Positano's cultural heritage. Number 2. Amalfi Coast Boat Tour. When you embark on a journey from Positano or any nearby town, the moment you see the coastline from the water, you'll witness its breathtaking beauty in a whole new way. Magnificent cliffs painted with vibrant villages, lush greenery, and cascading terraces unfurl before your eyes, creating a panoramic view that can only be experienced from the sea. You will find undiscovered beaches that are not accessible by road as your boat floats through the Tyrrhenian Sea's crystal clear waters. Tucked away between cliffs or nestled at the base of steep pathways, these secluded gems offer a haven of peace, far from the hustle and bustle of crowded tourist spots. Number 1. Day trip to Capri. Begin your adventure by paying a visit to the world-famous Blue Grotto. This enchanting sea cave boasts a mesmerizing natural phenomenon where sunlight shines through an underwater cavity, casting a radiant blue glow on the water inside and illuminating the entire cavern. Once you resurface from the depths of the ethereal Blue Grotto, take some time to wander through Capri's exquisite boutiques and designer shops. This island is renowned for its luxurious fashion and handcrafted treasures, ranging from bespoke sandals and captivating perfumes to meticulously crafted jewelry. From exhilarating rides to relaxing beaches, Positano offers an unforgettable Italian experience. We hope you enjoy these top activities in one of Italy's most beautiful destinations.